Good day and welcome to this Focus On segment. I'm Dewald Rademeyer. When we speak about Forex brokers, what comes to mind? Dishonest companies that use sophisticated tricks to deceive customers? Due to the deregulated nature of the Forex market dominated by brokers, it can create a perception that there is a lack of transparency. But a Forex broker's purpose is to be a link between a trader and the network of banks that have access to Forex liquidity. So how do we tell the reliable brokers apart from the rest? Guenter Beiler, Executive Director at Fibo Group, is joining me now to tackle this very question. Guenter, welcome.
Hello, Mr. Diablo. Thank you so much for this invitation here. And all the question at the moment, I want to start and ask first, what is a Forex broker? I think this is the first we have to explain. This is an intermediary financial company that works to fulfill the customer's orders, and therefore he is receiving commissions. And with these commissions, he is paying all these costs he has to run the running costs from the company, to pay the taxes and everything. And from this income, the broker must provide, as I said, his own activities. And this is a little different between the normal other intermediary business, because the significant lower margin that we have in this trading style allows us not to give back some commissions or customers discounts and all this. And normally, as I said, the Forex broker's job is only to fulfill from the customer the orders, to forward it to the prime broker or whatever. Yeah, that's the job.
So on that note though, why do so many people have a negative perception or attitude towards the Forex industry? And do you see this as justified?
Not really. The thing is, years ago, you must know it was quite easy to open an account, to open a broker in overseas. It was an unregulated market, and so many peoples, and they make fraud. They scammers. They was in this business, and but not at all, as I said. But at the moment, so many brokers are in this business because it's very easy to make money.
Is that the reason why the Forex Trading Association is normally associated with scammers and fraud? And why are there so many? Is it because it's so easy to make money from it?
Sure, it's easy to make money because the one thing is, as I said, is the commission. But the other thing is people are greedy, you know. And if someone is promise him, not a guarantee, but promise him he can make a good money, a good result of an extra income when he started trading over a brokerage company, then they say, yeah, why not? I will check it out. I will try it. And with aggressive advertising from this broker companies, they bring the people in a corner, and at the end of the discussion is, okay, I want to invest, and then they start investing. And if you start investing, then you're in the hand of these Forex brokers.
So now, how can people protect themselves when choosing a broker and not run into a scammer?
The thing is, it's not easy. Okay, you can choose us. That's by the way, but this is your decision. You can go over the internet. You have the possibilities to look how long they're on the market. If they are only 1 or 2 years on the market and not longer, then Fibo Group is 98, started at 98, so 24 years. Then you can find out that the broker is serious, and the commissions must be transparent. If you have no transparent commissions and rules, then make a distance. It makes no sense to jump in.
Now, I know you touched on it on the beginning when you explained what a Forex trader broker is, but can you delve a little deeper as to what's the business model behind a Forex trading broker, and how do they essentially earn their living through this model?
Normally, as I said, they fulfill the trades from the customer. As more trades the client is doing, as more commissions the Forex broker receives. This is the one thing. The second is that under sometimes this is a shining, they show us or they show to the client they are a Forex broker, but not really. They act as a second, as a market maker. That means the people trade, give up the trades, and normally he has to forward to the prime broker, which can be a bank or a prime broker. Don't say some names. And what can I say? And then you trade against the forex broker, yeah. And it is like a B-book, so you have no chance to make money in this case, because, for an example, as on a Friday, the figures came out from America, like Philly Fed Index, non-farm payrolls, housings, loans, and all this. Then they can produce spikes on your screen and force you to close the positions. And with these losses, the loss is for him the profit. Every loss is a profit from the forex broker. That's the truth. But normally the job is only, and the income is only the commission. Minimum commissions, very cheap commissions, but it belongs to the trades. When the client is trading a lot, in out, that's good for the forex broker. This is the business, and we are always helpful to give. A forex broker is always helpful to give to the customers the information analysis or informations how you can make it better and all this. But at the end, all the decisions belongs to the client.
Now, with this deception that forex brokers cannot be trusted, so to speak, if I were to approach a forex broker, what methods should I be, or signs should I be looking out for to get a distinction between a reliable broker and the ones I should not trust?
The thing is first that everything must be transparent. The commission must be on the table. The company must be based or on longer than minimum 5 years, not only 2 years. So if a forex broker is 10 years or 20 years, like a Fibo on the market, then that's great. You know that this trustable, he make a good job, because the license, when they make a mistake, then they lose the license. And so if you see a company with a long history and in the past no bad recommends in the internet, you can say, yeah, it's not easy. When someone is calling you very often and make a lot of pressure on it to invest into this broker account from this company, then you see, and they give you some guarantees how you can make profit and guarantee you a lot of profit and a huge percentage amount, then you must be a little bit alert and say, oh my God, I don't, it's not serious. It's not serious. You can feel it. You also have a little bit feeling for this, but you feel it that this is not really a serious broker.
I just want to know from you, do you deal with digital currencies? Have you experienced a lot of uneasiness on that sector?
Digital currencies, sure, everyone says he has this experience. The thing is, a state, all the states on this planet, they need the absolutely, how can I say, the force over the money. If it's a decentralized money, all the states can receive income from taxes. You need taxes. Each country needs tax to pay kindergarten, to pay the schools and everything. And if money like crypto is separated, it's not centralized, it's decentralized, then the state lose the control. And this is the reason why now came up the electronic euro digital, and also the Americans and the Chinese working on it, and I think it's done. It's only a part of time. So I personally give not such a big future for all these bitcoins, Ether, whatever. So the little one, they die, but the biggest one, Ether and Bitcoin, maybe USDT, they can establish, but the rest, 100% gone. And the states need the control. If a state don't have a control over the money, state is not it's not possible to exist. That's my own private opinion. The people are also changing the money in different currencies. And I said, don't stay only in the euro, for an example, go in other countries. Diversification is very important. Not only currencies, also some products, some exchanges. So don't put everything only on one point. It's very important when a Forex broker gives you only one product, invest in this or invest only in this, yeah? You have to invest in, we make a diversification. Without a diversification, you lose 100%. And at the moment with these big spikes, up, down, it's very difficult by yourself that you can trade. You have on the side, you need a little bit automatic system, software programs, because they are very faster than you can do this. If you do it on buy something and wait 1 month, okay, no problem. But if you want to make really profit on this, you have to learn a lot. It's a big job to study the market, what happens on the market. When the numbers came out from the United States, then you know how to handle it, or Powell is speaking about interest rates, all these things, but it's a very huge information, and you have to be a long time in this market. If you start brand new and you have sometimes a good luck and made some money on this market, and you say, we are happy, my God, super, it's running very well, I go forward, I invest another 10K, another 10K, then one day maybe you lose. It's just, be careful.
Guenter, I want to thank you for coming on board and explaining to us the perception of Forex brokers. That was Guenter Beiler, Executive Director of Fibo Group. And until next time, goodbye.